Got a chance to work on the Chevelle today. Pulled the seat out of the driver's side. Needed to do some repair and upholstery. This seat is actually the passenger side seat. I put it in the driver's side to move the car around. The driver's side seat needed repair of the frame. Here's the covers. I took them off and scrubbed them down and then sprayed them with vinyl dye. I used TIG wire to repair the frame. A lot of the wire was broke, so the wire that I added with the TIG kind of matched it, and it was somewhat rigid. The bottom has a seat bolster. Here's the foam that's cut for the bolster. Here's more TIG wire to pull down the material to the bolster and then hog ring it in place. The seat back doesn't have the bolster. It just goes over the top of the frame and the cover goes over it, hog ringing it across the back. It's the completed front part. Installed it back into the car. This is the second seat. It didn't require any repair. It's simple as removing all the hog rings, putting the new seat foam on, and putting the cover over it. Installed seat stops on both of the seats. Installed them both back into the car. I purchased the trim, the chrome trim that goes around it, but I haven't installed it yet. Thank you for watching.